Morning. It's the, what is it, Dad? Is it the 27th? Monday, the 27th of January, and it's going to be a fun-filled day because it's scanning day. But first of all, this lot here are coming down to the farm and they're having a little bit of a trim and a tidy up. And a few of them are lame, so they're going to get treated. They're going to move fields and then we'll carry on. Come on then, guys. Yeah. Off we go. Does it need a trim? Yeah. Is she having an injection?
Yeah.
Oi.
You've got some fights.
Have you had your breakfast now?
Yeah.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Bringing the ewes in now for scanning. Scanning day today.
We've just got the first batch of ewes in. These are going to have the copper bolus, which we always give. And then any lame sheep, look at the feet. There's 3 or 4 lame. And then these are going to stay in for scanning, which is this afternoon.
Use 1 capsule per ewe
yeah.
for the prevention of swayback.
Swayback. Right, these are the wonderful thing, but they love spitting out.
Yeah, they do spit them out.
Yeah, perfect.
The lame ewes are having a bit of a foot treatment, and those that have got severe foot rot are having a jab. Loading pen cam. Let's go. We've got a few sheep that have been really quite lame, so now is the time to treat them and hopefully get the foot rot sorted before they become heavily pregnant. So these have had their copper, now they're having a lunch break whilst we go and get the other ewes down. Doris is well trained. You do. Come on, come on, come on. of ready for my breakfast now that it's 12:30, but it's just been too busy today and I wanted to go swimming early this morning, so no time yet for food.
What we've got.
The aim is to get the sheep down the race and then into the scanner at the end of the shed. So far they're being a bit awkward. Come on. They like to go backwards.
Empty. Right? Empty. That lot, is it?
No, two more.
Oh, two more.
How many are barren?
4 so far.
God. Help me up.
Come on.
So how's it going so far?
Well, quite a few triplets, but also
Oh,
four barren out of a small lot isn't very...
so these have been split with different tops then, John, have they?
Yeah, so I swapped them over, yeah.
Right, so yes, that's, yeah. Yes, you're 4 empty.
Right, come on then. Come on, girls. Through we go. Hey, Mabel. Go on, go on. Not having it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Where'd you go?
Forward.
Yeah. There we go.
So here's the second group. Scanned out at 184%, and if you take out the barren ewes, 204. And the other group, I think it was 210, taking out the empty ones. So we've got a few that will be going at the market this week because they're not in lamb, they're no use for a breeding stock. So we'll give these their dose of copper, and then I'm looking forward to a sit down. Is that what they call a wrap?
Well, it was. Well, that's the job done. Numbers, what's in lambs? Very good. Lot of triplets, that's a good thing. I don't know. Twins, 7 barren, which is the most we've had. Maybe they just use it a bit old, but that's how it is today.
It's the end of a very long day, and it's also the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and see you next time. Bye.